Hi guys, welcome to Memo's tutorials. Today we are looking at theorem number 2, which says angles at the center. The angle at the center is twice the angle at the circumference, right? When they are made by the same arc or chord. I hope you still remember which one is the arc and which one is the chord, right? So now, what they simply mean is that your question might come in this form, right? So from this same arc, we are forming x degrees at the circumference, and at the center we are forming this angle. So this angle is actually going to be double that angle. That's why we wrote it as what? 2x. Same applies here. It can come in this form. Take note, if this is your x degrees, that angle there is going to be double this angle, right? It can come in that form or in this form. And most people, they get lost when the questions come in this form to say, okay, it's not a straight memory like how it was on the first example. Here again, they are all from the same arc, right? So this is 2x here, and this angle will be half of that at the center, okay? So with that being said, let's see if we can attempt a few questions here. So we are given this one as a 60. What about angle C there? So angle at the center is twice the angle at the circumference, meaning our angle at the circumference is going to be half of 60. Half of 60, which is just a 30, right? What about this one? It's also exactly the same thing. They are all from arc AB, right? So if that's 24, angle at the center is twice the angle at the circumference. So it's going to be what? 48, right? We just double that. If that angle there at the circumference is a 10, at the center here is just supposed to be 20. Because they are all from arc AB. What about this one? Wow. Okay, it's still the same thing, guys. They are all from arc BA. So you should be able to spot what's going on. Even if they put it the other way around. If this is 36, my C should be half of 36, which is 18. So actually our C there is 18. What about this one? Yes, it's still the same thing. If this is 120, X is actually twice 120. 120 plus 120 is 240. That's what the theorem says, right? I'm having a 230 there. What's the value for X? It's going to be half of what? 230. Let me punch that. 230 divided by 2. What are we getting? 115. So in other terms, our value for X, it's 115. That's all on theorem number 2. The angle at the center is twice the angle at the circumference. See you on theorem number 3 on our next video.